Today we're going to demonstrate how to make some prank soap, and we're going to make it in the form of poo. So what we're going to start with is these soap shavings that we have. This is made from, well, just shaving using a carrot peeler or vegetable peeler and taking a bar of soap and just peeling it. Well, not peeling the soap, but just shaving it. And we have about 6 ounces of soap shavings. And so that's what we're going to start with. Next, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of water in a bowl. There's 1 and 2. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of organic cocoa. And then we're just going to stir. Can you stir that? Okay, now we're going to, it's not completely mixed, that's okay. We're going to be mixing it up more with the soap shavings. And now we're just going to mix with our hands. You could wear gloves if you wanted to, but my daughter doesn't want to. She likes to get her hands dirty, so go ahead. Now we might need to add a little more water, and we may need to add a little more cocoa. And we'll continue to add what we need as needed. It looks like we're going to need a little more water. So it's all mixed up, and now you just form the soap into whatever shape that you want, and then we're going to let it air dry for a few days and let some of the extra water just evaporate out of the soap. There's one, yep. We'll put it aside. You don't even need to use soap to wash your hands because your hands are already covered in soap.